Most people get health insurance wrong by focusing only on premiums, but the real value is in coverage, network access, and customer support. Today, we're doing an honest review of Cigna Health Insurance based on my own usage experience. Cigna is a global health insurance provider offering plans for individuals, families, and employers. One of the first things that stood out to me was the variety of plan options. You can choose between HMO, PPO, and international coverage depending on your needs. Most people get this wrong by assuming one plan fits all, but Cigna allows customization for different healthcare needs and budgets. Enrollment is straightforward. You can apply online, and the website clearly shows premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums. The surprising truth is that Cigna provides transparency in coverage that many other providers don't, so you know exactly what's included. Network access is extensive. During my experience, I could easily find in-network doctors and hospitals near me. Telehealth services were particularly convenient, especially for routine consultations or minor issues. Most people underestimate the value of virtual care, but it saved me time and money. Claims processing is efficient. I submitted a claim for a specialist visit, and it was approved within a few days. The online portal also tracks claims and payments, making it easy to manage your healthcare expenses. Customer service was responsive via phone and email, answering questions about coverage and billing. One downside is cost. Premiums can be higher than some competitors, but the trade-off is broader coverage and better customer service. If you value reliability and support, this cost can be worthwhile. In conclusion, Cigna Health Insurance is a strong option for those seeking comprehensive coverage and excellent support. Most people get health insurance wrong by focusing only on price, but Cigna shows that quality, accessibility, and transparency matter more in the long run. Subscribe for more honest health insurance reviews so you can make smarter decisions for you and your family.